Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wondered where to keep your cash safe while still earning a little bit? A money market fund could be just what you're looking for. These are special types of mutual funds that invest in very short-term, low-risk government and corporate debt. They are designed to offer you a stable value and easy access to your money, often while providing a yield that's better than a typical savings account. So how do they actually work? Well, a money market fund pools money from many investors, then uses it to buy highly liquid short-term debt instruments. We're talking about things like U.S. Treasury bills, certificates of deposit, and commercial paper from stable companies. The goal is to maintain a stable net asset value, usually $1 per share, making them a very reliable option. Why choose a money market fund? One major benefit is their stability. Unlike stock funds, their value typically remains steady at $1 per share. They also offer excellent liquidity, meaning you can usually access your funds quickly, often within a day or two. Plus, they tend to offer a higher yield than a standard savings account, especially in times of rising interest rates, making them quite appealing. Who should consider a money market fund? They are fantastic for your emergency fund, providing safety and easy access when unexpected expenses arise. They're also perfect for short-term savings goals, perhaps a down payment on a car or a vacation fund, where you need to preserve your capital. Essentially, if you have cash you might need relatively soon but want it to earn more than sitting idle, these funds are a solid choice. Before you jump in, remember a few key things. Unlike a savings account, money market funds are not FDIC insured, so there's a very small risk, though rare, of losing money. Their returns are also modest. They won't make you rich, but they aim to preserve your capital. Always check the fund's expense ratio and recent yields to ensure it aligns with your financial needs and expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.